Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own custom buttons. So if this is something you're interested in, stay tuned. Right here are the supplies that I'm using. I have my Vevor button maker, my button supplies, my Cricut Explore Air 2, and my handy dandy Epson Inkjet printer. So let's get started. These are preloaded designs that I have. I found them off of Google, so you can do the same thing. Right here, I am taking a shape so that I can go ahead and put my image inside of it. And I'm just going to change it to white because I am going to be printing on white cardstock paper. So right here, you just see me enlarging the circle so that I can actually fit my image in there. Right here, you see that it's behind it, so I am going to move it to the front. And I'm just going to resize it so that I can get it inside that circle and center it so that it's a perfect fit inside of it. So I have that one. I'm going to select all of it and I'm going to flatten it. So by flatten it, that allows you to do the print and cut option on the Cricut design space. So that is how I did my first one. So now you're just going to see me go in and change my background color just so that it'll be easier to see it, because with my cardstock being white and my background being white, it's hard to really see the circle. So I just went in and I changed it to a green background. And now I'm just going to size the Rugrats one down. So I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of them. I'm going to grab me a circle and I'm going to change the background white again. Here I'm just moving it over. And then I decided, hey, I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this so I can already have my circles for the remainder of my images. So I just moved them out the way. Now I'm down to working with the one, which I'm enlarging. Now I'm going to take my other one, just like the previous one, it's behind the circle. So I moved it forward and now I'm just going to center it and make sure that it fits in there just right. So I'm just playing around with it and I'm going to go ahead and center it vertically and horizontally. So that ensures that it is in the center, and I'm going to flatten that one as well. So now you see that has the print and cut option and it's all together as one design. So I'm just going to move forward and do the same thing with the remainder of them. So now that I have them all, I'm going to select them all to try to go ahead and size them down to my button size, but that didn't work. So I actually had to go in and select each individual image and size it down to 2.4 by 2.4 because that is the size of the button maker that I have. So that's what you see me doing here, just sizing all of them down to the actual size I needed to print out. So now that I have all my images sized to 2.4, I'm going to click Make It, and then it's going to take me to the option where I can actually print it out. and I'm gonna send it to my printer. So that's what I did here. And it's telling me that once I finish printing it, I'm going to be cutting it with light cardstock. And that's the option that I use. If you have a better one, you can let me know. That is the end of part 1. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.